Hello, my name is Lily. I'm 6 years old. Today I'm going to have about English. Kitten drinks milk. Episode 3. Milk spilled. The pot crashed to the floor. Tom fell too. Oops, Tom cried. He let it in a pot of milk. Someone would laugh. Ha 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 ha. It was a mouse. You're in big trouble, the mouse said. The farmer's wife was going to make cheese. But you spilled all the milk. I'll clean it up, Tom said. How? The mouse asked. Tom stuck his tongue. I will lick up all the milk. Ha ha! The mouse said. That is too much milk for you. But Tom was already licking up milk. Tom said. This milk is good. I will have some too, the mouse said. Tom and the mouse drank and drank. Ooh, Tom said, my belly hurts. Ha! You see, you can't lick up with your belly. But Tom kept drinking and drinking and drinking. I think he's already very full. Tom couldn't drink milk. Episode 4, a full belly. You see, you can't drink all those milk. It's a gigantic lot. I know milk is delicious and tastes good, smells good, but it's not good. Oh, Tom moaned. If you drink too much, you have a tummy ache. My belly is so full. It's full of milk. Your parents laughed at all. Oh, ha, ha. There is still milk on the floor, she said. Kept drinking, Tom. He had to go to his sister and drink all of empties. Her mother can't let it like this. Just then, the farmer's wife came back. Eek! She yelled. A mouse! There's a mouse in the kitchen! Ah! The mouse squeaked. My mother. She ran fast to her hole. Tom ran after the mouse. But Tom was too big. Smash! Tom bumped his nose on the wall. Ouch, he said. Oh, farmer wife clapped. Good cat, she cried. You chased the mouse away. Where's it going? The farmers went. The farmers went into the party. Here, she said, I have a treat for you. The farmer held up a dish. Oh, look at it. Enfant, look. Perhaps you use scissors, silly. What is them there? Tom is a very silly boy. That's enough milk. You already have milk. And thank you for story. I hope you have a one day. I shall see you. Take it back now.